Being nice is secretly ruining your life, bro. You think you are being a good person, but you are actually just terrified of conflict. Every single time you say yes when you really want to say no, you are trading your own self-respect for cheap validation. People do not respect a pushover who has zero boundaries. They will drain your energy, take your time, and leave you completely empty while you smile through the pain. This is a psychological trap called people-pleasing, and it is a massive shortcut to becoming completely miserable. You are treating everyone else like royalty while treating your own goals like trash. Stop letting random opinions dictate your value. The solution is brutal but stupidly simple. You must build personal boundaries immediately. Saying no is not an act of aggression, it is an act of self-defense. When you protect your time, you force people to actually value your presence. True respect is earned by standing your ground, not by bowing down to keep the peace. Stop apologizing for having standards and stop making excuses for people who use you. Your focus and energy are your highest value assets, so lock them down tightly. Choose to be respected instead of just being liked. Smash that subscribe button right now to protect your mindset and start building real boundaries today. See ya!